Hi, welcome back to Line Dance with Christiane. Yes, we can. Let's learn Let's Do Da Dance. It's a real fun 2-wall 32 counts. No tags, no restarts. Here's a preview of the steps. Skate, skate, chasse, cross rock, recover, chasse to the left. Cross, side, behind, side, heel, and cross, side, behind, side, cross. Step together, rumba box, modified. Step together, rumba back. Rock back, recover, half turn. Rock back, recover, shuffle forward. That's it. Let's break it down. First 8. Starting with the right foot, weight on left. We're going to do skate, skate, chasse, cross, rock, recover, chasse. A chasse is also a shuffle. So we're going to start with the right foot, skate right, skate left, chasse on the diagonal, right, chasse forward, cross, rock, recover with the left, and a chasse to the left side. So it looks like this. Skate, skate, shuffle or chasse, cross rock, recover, and a shuffle or chasse. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Second 8. Just finished our chasse to the side with the left foot, so the right foot's free. We do cross, side, behind, side, heel, step, cross, side, behind, side, cross. One more time. Cross, side, behind, side, heel, and cross, side, behind, side, cross. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Third 8, it's a modified rumba box with a cha-cha in it. So we do right together, cha-cha forward, or step together or triple step, left step, step right, triple step back. So it's right together, right, shuffle forward, left together, shuffle back. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Fourth 8. Just finished our modified rumba box with our shuffle back, our right foot's free, to do rock, recover, and a half turn over our left shoulder with a step together step, a shuffle. So rock back, recover, shuffle back, right, rock back left, recover, shuffle forward, and you're ready to start again. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Great, let's put it all together with words. 5, 6, 7, 8. Skate, skate, chasse forward, rock, recover, chasse to the side, cross, side, behind, side, heel, and cross, side, behind, side, cross, rumba box with the cha-cha-cha, rumba box with the cha-cha-cha, rock back, recover, shuffle turn, rock back, recover, shuffle forward. Great. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. No tags, no restarts. That's it, 2 walls. Enjoy. Let's do da dance. Have fun and click subscribe and watch the demo. Have a great day. Bye.